Hello and good evening. In my last video, I posted that out of 20 Premier League club of this season, 19 clubs have signed at least a player except Chelsea. But Chelsea have finally signed a player. It is not a forward, not Haaland or Lukaku or Hurricane. It is a goalkeeper, Marcos Bettinelli. Marcos Bettinelli, Chelsea signed him from Fulham. I think he was also playing for Middlesbrough on loan from Fulham. Anyways, we really needed a third goalkeeper, and I am also not sure if Chelsea are going to keep Kepa Arrizabalaga because Chelsea released Willy Cavallero. He had a fantastic season with Chelsea. Even he didn't play much last season. He still wins some silverware, and it was really nice for him. And also Jamal Blackman. I am not sure if he played a single major game for Chelsea. But anyways, Chelsea released these two goalkeepers, Willy Cavallero and Jamal Blackman, and Chelsea needed a backup goalkeeper, third goalkeeper, and they already have Kepa Arrizabalaga as the backup goalkeeper. But we still needed a third goalkeeper in case some injuries happening to Edward Mendy and Arrizabalaga. So Bettinelli is our third goalkeeper, but I seriously think that he should be our backup goalkeeper instead of Kepa Arrizabalaga because I don't even know if Chelsea are going to keep him because the way he is performing and the way he is conceding the goals. I seriously don't think that Chelsea should be keeping him and paying him a big fat paycheck. He is among the top paying player of Chelsea right now, I think, and for nothing. And when Chelsea won the Champions League in this year's May, he was running around the field as if he has uh, won the cup for Chelsea, as if he was the goalkeeper and made 5-10 saves in that game. Absolutely ridiculous. And I seriously think that Bettinelli should be used as second goalkeeper, and even we have Carlos Ziger, he could be used as third goalkeeper, and Eduardo Mendes should be our first goalkeeper. And it is not that if Chelsea are going to play Carabao Cup or FA Cup, then against a bottom league side like Wycombe or Northampton, and Kepa Arrizabalaga will be our goalkeeper, and Chelsea will score 4 goals, and he will give out 2 or 3 goals. Chelsea will win 4-3 or 4-2 or 5-4, and he will be feeling very proud as if he has done a great job by uh, saving for 2-3 shots. I seriously think that Chelsea should sell him. He is not going anywhere with Chelsea. He, who knows if he will change club? Maybe some other club will bring good fortune for him. It has happened. Fernando Torres were playing for Liverpool. He was fantastic. He came to Chelsea. Form went away, and we have seen also similar, like we bought Alvaro Morata, even though he was a second choice striker for them. He never sticked out, and Radamel Falcao, he was fantastic for Monaco and even Atletico Madrid. But when he came to Manchester United and Chelsea for one season each, he was not at his best. So it can happen. Who knows? Kepa Arrizabalaga may play well for some other clubs. So I don't think Chelsea should keep him. But anyway, Chelsea had their first signing, and I am looking forward to see what they are going to make. I seriously think that a striker is really necessary, but I still believe that we have that power with us because Armando Broza of Albania, I think, he has scored already 3 goals in this friendlies, and Timo Werner, I am sure that he will be back at his best, and we have the power we have, and I don't think Chelsea will use Michi Batshuayi. I seriously don't think they may sell him or again send him out on loan, just like Victor Moses. But I really think that Chelsea have that power, and if they are using Armando Broza, for this season. I am sure that he will be outstanding, outstanding. At least 15 goals or 12 plus goal at least. And he is like Lukaku 10 years ago. He Chelsea had Lukaku, but at that time they didn't use him properly, and they loaned him to Everton, and then sell him to Everton. He never came back. He went back to Manchester United and now playing brilliantly for Inter Milan. And Chelsea want him back, but he is there. Why should he be back? Because he's scoring a lot of goals. So Armando Broza, if Chelsea are going to use him properly, I am sure he will be a fantastic player. And we don't need Haaland. We don't have to spend so much money to bring back Haaland. And it is not guaranteed that if he will join Chelsea and he will score amazing Premier League goals just like he is scoring in Bundesliga. So I think Chelsea already have the manpower, but if they are going for it, then let's see who they are going to sign. So that's all for now. Thank you.